Hi there. Back again. We got some big goings on today. So I spend most of my summer stuck in my work truck. And I was tired of not having Bluetooth and having to stare at my phone for GPS. So we went right ahead and did the right thing. We found the least expensive 10-inch screen with Bluetooth and navigation and all that fun stuff that fits my truck. Let's open her up. I really need to get a microphone. Fragile. Handle with care. Don't fall, not pressure. Or whatever that means. Ooh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Ah. Okay. And open up the bubbly wrap. It would appear that this is just the bezel. And holy connectors. What am I supposed to do with those? Maybe there are some destructions in the other box. We'll see. That doesn't look bad. Okay. Test verification, conformity. I don't care about any of that. Looks like we got a couple of brackets. Oh, look, another bag of connectors. And one giant enormous screen. Holy poop. Oh man. No free service grant if broken. It's only as broken as your English, guys. What's this? What does this do? I don't know what that does. It comes out. So, say this goes in here. I'll lay this here gently. I want to lay it right on these blocks. Scrooby Doobies. Grab an El Felipe. May as well bolt the screen to the bezel. And then we'll figure out how the stuff comes out of the truck. I don't know why I took... I don't know. My thought process isn't there, guys. Alright. Get the screen screwed into the bezel. And let's not get things crooked. One there. One here. One here. One here. Oh, man. The finest Chinesium money can buy. So we should not need those. I don't believe. RCA outputs, shouldn't need those. Of course, none of this tells me what it really is. What the What's this? I don't know what that is. That appears to plug in right there. Okay. But this one would also plug in right there. Oh, I have two different styles. I got to see what the truck is. Yeah, let's see what the truck is first. What's this all about? It says something in a language I don't speak. That doesn't plug in there. It doesn't plug into... I don't know what these USB ports are for. Just some sort of radio adapter. That looks like that plugs in there. So I'm guessing that plugs into the truck end. Still don't know where this plugs in. Oh, that plugs into that. That will plug in there, but I don't know what it does. Well, here I am. I got the truck running so that maybe I don't break this plastic bezel. And I'll shut it off before I start unplugging anything electronic. But they tell me that you want to get in around here, and I know I should probably be using a plastic pry tool, not a screwdriver, but this is what I had readily available, as per usual. Let's see, feels like it's right in there. And they tell me that it's a little bit fragile right in here. Don't mind all the dog drool. The dog likes to ride in the truck, and he also likes to drool. I'm by no means a professional at any of this stuff, but I have done a little bit of car audio in my day. That one's good, that one's good. Just got this corner down here. Well, it feels like that's snapped back in. And I don't want to break this. That's why I get the heat cranked. Okay. Marvelous. We only lost one metal tab. And then, make sure that's off. With my 7mm. Sweet. Should just be those four. There we go. We got little clips there. Okay, now we're going to shut the truck off. Unplug that. Unplug this. And the heater control's out. Get that right out of my way. And we'll do some more unplugging. That little fella, that one, and that one. This was supposed to have a tab that held it in, but apparently not. Judging by the green here, I'm going to say this is the wiring harness that we need. Plug it in. Plug it in. That, I believe, plugs into the radio. What all these fun little things do? Parking brake, don't care. Ooh, man, maybe we do need some of that other harness. Okay. This should plug in right back here, like we did before. This should plug in right here. That's for the radio. Okay. Do I need both of those harnesses? I have 2 full-size USBs. Oh, I wonder if I have adapters. I wonder what that's what those are. I may as well get a pair of pliers while I'm in there. Hang tight. What does this plug into? Let's just turn it on and see if it works. Not looking good. I'm already not liking it. And it's crooked when you plug it in, so that, no. That ain't flying. What do we got down here? Those are still RCAs. Those haven't changed. Orange wire is aux. Nope. I don't know what those USBs are all about. Does this... No way that it takes all this stuff. No way they made the wiring harness that goddamn complicated. No, there ain't no way. Fuse is still good by the looks. Oh. Well, that's something, but no, that's not the same plug. I'm voting for we don't have the correct harness. I think this might be a bust. I'm going to pop the old one back in for right now and hope it still works. And we'll find out what they have to say. Have fun. Good news. I'm just an idiot. Check this out. It works. I just had a couple things that weren't plugged in quite right. Apparently they did email me instructions. I just didn't look at the messages. So, all in all, I think this is pretty good. I like it. Well, I could probably shut the key off. I don't need that. Oof. Let's not bust up the screen already. Come on. Let's get the radio out of the way. The antenna, rather. Shut the key off. Alright. Pop these little clippy-doos. I had this thing apart once. Come on, guys. Fun part about this is now me and Mark are going to be fighting over the Bluetooth. I'm gonna tie a little bit of this stuff up. Just because I would like to have it somewhat neat. Whoa. Those filthy things look like a brand new chandelier in a haunted house. Plug my antenna back in. Boop. Tuck all this factory wiring back in. Tuck all this aftermarket wiring in. And, oh, it doesn't have the locating thing. Ah, haha, that's where my... Yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha. Put the Scrooby-Doobies back in here. Well, the time and date are way off, because it is definitely not October 18th, 2023, and it is not 8:21 p.m. It would be dark if it was. But this handy little thing's got Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, Bluetooth. I guess it's Wi-Fi capable. I probably won't dive into that too much. I pretty much wanted Bluetooth, and it's handy to have my GPS on the screen on the dash. Because like I said before, I spend a lot of my time sitting right in this seat. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Got it. You know, for some Evil Bay stuff, that actually fits very, very good. Yeah, not quite as good as factory, but look at us go. New Radimo. Brand new tune jammer for the work truck. I can have the blue teeths and everything. I probably ought to email those people back and let them know that I figured it out, and I'm sorry about the mean things I said when I was having trouble putting this in. But as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.